Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Python comments are programmer readable explanation or annotation in the Python source code. They are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for humans to understand and are ignored by Python interpreter. Comments enhance the readability of the code and help the programmers to understand the code very carefully. There are three types of comment available in Python. First one is single line comments. Single line comments are always starts with hash. Go to our PyCharm. Our program is blank. So let's write some comment. Hash. This is test program. If we write another statement, welcome to the Python, and run it, so interpreter will ignore the first line, right? Because we have put hash sign. You can write n number of single line comments. Let me put another. This is second program. I run it again. You see, only this line is printed. Second type of comments in Python is multi-line comments. Python does not provide a direct way to comment multiple lines. You can comment multiple lines like hash. This is first comment. Hash. This is second comment. Let's run it. You can see output is the same. In the same program, you are putting multiple comments. Single line comment you have seen. This is multi-line comment. Okay. Let's see one more other case. If we have used triple quotes with some comment, so this is also ignored by Python interpreter. Let's see how it works. Let me put three quotes and see. This is multi-line comments. So it will ignore. Let's run it. You can see message 2 is printed and we have used three quotes with comments. You can write n number of lines. And run it. Right? Third one is docstring commands. Python docstrings provide a convenient way to provide a help documentation with Python modules, functions, classes, and methods. The docstring is then made available via the double underscore doc double underscore. So this is a symbol of representing docstring. Let's see with example. Let me remove it. We take some method def add. Let's see where 1 where 2, and we put some docstring comments. Let's see. This is a function to add numbers. I put 3 double quotes at the end, and I am return where 1 plus where 2. Oh, there is mistake. Okay, we need to add colon. Now let's print this method. Print add dot doc. Let's run it. You can see the line which we have added as a docstring comments is printed on the console. Why so? Because in this print statement we are passing add method to show its documentation. Okay, if you hover on this method, you will be able to see the same comments which you provided inside the function block. You could see function to add the value of A and B. Okay, you must be thinking docstring and multiline comments are pretty similar, but you can differentiate, like docstrings are written in the function and classes to show how to use the program, while multiline comments are used to show how a block of code works. In next video, we will see Python variables. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.